Buongiorno, ladies and gentlemen. I'm more than happy to speak with you from this beautiful location, Villa Reale, located in Monza, close to Milano. Despite the disruption caused by the pandemic, I want to be optimistic and share with you some good news directly from Italy. Because today I would like to present the International Truck of the Year Award to the winner. The International Truck of the Year Award is the most important one in the transport industry. Created by Pat Kennett in 1977, it has become over the year a benchmark for the entire automotive industry. Every year we test and drive different kinds of trucks, but only one can get the award. Are you curious of knowing who it is? And the winner is MAN TGX. This truck that retains a strong family feeling with the present heavy-duty generation represents a big step forward in terms of comfort for the driver, fuel efficiency, connectivity, and the human-machine interface. But I'm not the only one who sees it that way. I'm not the only one in selecting this truck as International Truck of the Year 2021. The entire Truck of the Year jury is behind it. So let me introduce my colleague from all over the world.
New TGX represents a giant leap forwards in terms of both safety and driver comfort. What's more, it looks fantastic. The external styling is bold, but it's the interior where the new MAN truck generation really excites.
Für mich gibt es im Wesentlichen zwei Punkte, warum der New TGX International Truck of the Year 2021 ist. Das ist zum einen das komplett neue Fahrerhaus mit unzähligen Komfortfeatures und vielleicht der wichtigste für mich, er hat mit 23,16 Litern Durchschnittsverbrauch einen absoluten Рекорд auf der One-Track-тестстrecke hingelegt.
Иновациите в новото поколение на MAN наистина са много. Едното е това невероятно удобно и интуитивно работно място за водача, и второто е новата електрическа и електронна архитектура на камиона.
Esta nueva gama de MAN ha dado un gran paso en comparación con su predecesora en lo referente tanto a tecnología como diseño y consumo de combustible. Además, sus motores Euro 6D en combinación con la transmisión MAN-Matic y el software de nuevo desarrollo aumenta su eficiencia, lo que reduce los costes operativos, factor muy importante para todos los clientes.
De MAN TGX is de terechte International Truck of the Year 2021. Hij heeft een fraai nieuw design en hij is echt ontworpen voor de chauffeur. Maar met een prima aandrijflijn en slimme technologie heeft hij ook de ondernemer veel te bieden.
The new MAN is a truck that really does a lot of things right. And the economy, well, you can save up to 8%, which is not to be sneezed at. This is a truck that truly delights transport operators and drivers alike.
So there is no doubt why this truck has been elected Truck of the Year 2021. It's a future-oriented truck able to answer today's and tomorrow's transport needs. And I have a trophy for this truck that only the winner can show. This is yours. Congratulations.
Hello?
Hello, Dr. Tosman. Janenrіко Grіфіні speaking. I have good news for you.
Oh, Mr. Grіфіні. The president of the jury courts, there must be a good reason.
Yes, you did it. You have been elected Truck of the Year 2021. Congratulations.
Wow, that's great. That's good news. Thanks a lot. That's a great honor for the whole MAN team and for me. I would like to thank you personally, but unfortunately due to Corona, it's not possible. So please take the sincere thanks from the whole team and from me. Thanks. Dear MAN team, we did it. After 13 years, we have brought the Truck of the Year award back to MAN. The award is the most important title in our industry. And at the same time, it's a great recognition of the outstanding work of our MAN team. For more than 5 years, and often day and night, the team has worked towards only one goal: to develop the best truck for the drivers and to bring it on the road. We have achieved this. And for this, we received this great award. This is an incredible success. A big thank you. You did really a great job.